guys, so this is a very short video. We are just directly compute this ln x dx integration. So all we need to know is that this integration by part u dv equals to uv minus v du. So in this case, v is just v is what, just x, right? So dv just dx. So we just get the x ln x minus v is x, and the u is ln x, right? So du is just 1 over x dx. So x cancel, we get dx. So the answer is just x ln x minus x plus c. Okay, very easy. And the next one, what we will prove is ln x squared. So next time we will prove the ln x n squared, ln x to the power n for arbitrary integer. But now we are just going to prove the second, square. Okay, so we already know we know that the ln x integration is x ln x minus x, right? So we take a ln x and write one ln x as this. Okay, so we use the integration by part. So ln x ln x minus this term and the derivative of this, right? So it's 1 over x dx. So the first term is x ln x squared minus x ln x minus, so x cancel, you get the integration of ln x plus dx. Okay, and the integration of ln x, what we got is s ln x minus x. Okay, so this term is this and plus x. So combine all of these, we get the x ln x squared minus 2x ln x plus 2x. Okay, that's it. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel.